Now, plastic waste continues to pose environmental pollution globally, with the trillions of tons of plastic estimated to be in landfills and the ocean. In Kenya, there have been efforts to minimize plastic waste, but the problem still remains. As part of these efforts, a local venture in Thika is now manufacturing eco-friendly packaging materials targeting the food industry in the country. Edward Chair visited Green Stem Products and tells us their story in our Made in Kenya segment.
Robots at work, picking and dropping material. This here is the Green Stem Products plant in Thika town, where biodegradable packaging material is manufactured.
We tackle plastic pollution in the food system by making packaging that is a credible alternative. It's as good or better than plastic in terms of functionality, and it's made from agricultural byproducts which would otherwise go to waste.
Kenya, just like the rest of the world, is grappling with plastic waste pollution despite sustained efforts to minimize this. Anita and her team are part of these efforts.
We generate over 1 million tons of plastic waste every single year, of which less than 10% is systematically collected, sorted and recycled.
Using sugarcane bagasse as the main raw material, Greenstem makes containers, trays and plates through a meticulous process that starts with heating the bagasse into pulp.
It's first de-pit to remove sand and stones. It's then cooked at very high temperatures and pressures. It's washed and goes through various stages of cleaning. After cleaning, it turns into a pulp, and that pulp is then put through thermoforming machines to form the shape of the tray or the container that we want. It's then heat pressed under 150-degree heat, and then the edges are trimmed and the product is finished. So we invented a bio-based coating for waterproofing and oil and grease resistance.
This bio-based coating helps the packaging products hold wet food like soups, meat and fish.
We passed the water resistance test, oil resistance. It's also microwave safe, oven safe, freezer safe. They're designed to be single use. Our packaging can go straight into your shamba, basically, or into a home compost, and it will contribute again to new plant growth. It's used by pet food companies, restaurants for takeaways, deliveries, horticulture companies to pack fruits and vegetables, protein companies for meat and fish, and also for baked goods.
Greenstem has employed 20 people to help with its operations, and Anita says they give priority to women.
We are really trying to promote women in manufacturing. So we are trying to hire women that are plant mechanics, electrical engineers.
I'm in charge of quality assurance, and I'm the food safety team lead here. The experience here has been great and full of learning every day, and I have gained lots of skills in terms of the quality. One, I led the BRC standard audit back in March, and it was a success. I have also gained the skills of management because I lead the team on observing the quality systems in here.
Anita says she looks forward to scaling up operations and exporting the Greenstem products in the coming future.
We hope that we will start to export from next year to Europe, to the Middle East, and innovate even further to develop a wider range of products and to improve the effectiveness of our current range.
Approximately 85% of plastic used in the food system in Kenya ends up in landfills and the ocean, with only 15% collected and recycled. With these alarming statistics, Greenstem Kenya has stepped up efforts to produce biodegradable packaging material in a bid to end single-use plastic. Edward Chair, Made in Kenya, Citizen TV, Thika.